In my soul I yearned to follow God, but knew I'd never be so strong. I looked hard at this world to learn how heaven could be gained, just to end where I began, where human effort is all in vain. Were it not for grace, I can tell you where I'd be, wandering down some pointless road to nowhere, with my salvation up to me. I know how that would go. The battles I would face, forever running but losing the race, were it not for grace. So here is all.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. Thank you for
Expressed with all my heart,
makaschool
offered to
ako.
a
Thank you.
friend who took my place and ran.
Hi ma, naka-aircon kami. Lamig. Happy birthday ma, thank you. I love you. Bye.
Just how much his love would cost.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Masyado ka nang
He
matanda.
still went the final mile,
Salamat sa lahat. I love you.
so I would not be lost. Were it not for grace, I can tell you where I'd be, wandering down some pointless road.
Hi ma, happy birthday. So ayun, nandito ko naman yung mga sinabi nila Sansan. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo for us. We're so blessed to have you as a mother. You're the best mom and dad in the world. Sa lahat ng hard work and sacrifices mo for us. I know these greetings are not enough, but I still hope na magustuhan mo tong video na to. I know that you have had to go through a lot in raising the four of us, but I'm glad that you never gave up on us. I'm glad that through thick and thin, we all made it through together. We were hurt, we were knocked down, but we got up, and I know that it's all by God's grace that we were able to do that. Without Him, hindi natin kaya to. Pero thankful ako na kahit na gano'ng kahirap na it never crossed your mind na maghiwa-hiwalay tayo, na maghiwa-hiwalay kaming apat. Kahit na maghanda-kuba-kuba ka na sa work mo sa church, when another opportunity presents itself, you grab it immediately thinking na mas makakatulong sa atin yun. Thank you para dun. And I love you, Ma. I know you know that I'm not a perfect daughter and I never will be. Pero thankful ako that through all of my imperfectness and kapasawayan, you were there for me. Even during my darkest hours, you were there. You were there praying for me. And I can never be thankful enough for that. I'm so blessed to have you. I know na hindi naman tayo makakapili kung sino magiging kapamilya natin. But if given the chance to choose, I'd still choose you, Ma. I'd still choose the same family members. Ayun. I love you, Ma. One for all for one tayo. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday.
Ma! Happy birthday!
But losing the race, were it not for grace.
Surprise day! Happy birthday! sana magustuhan mo itong video namin sa'yo. Surprise namin sa ito. Saka, ang leader nito is si Kai. Happy birthday, te. Wish you a good health. Para saka pala yung pamakin mo, yung ako. Happy birthday ulit.
Adelina ko. Happy birthday kay tita, oh.
Next year, makapasal ka dito sa bahay mo. Happy birthday. Love you, te. Miss you.
Happy birthday, ate. Hindi ako makita sa video kasi ako taga-video.
Bye. Love you, te.
Video bless daw kay tita.
Ay, mabait yan si Ethel. Sa responsible sa kanyang mga anak. Kahit sa kabila ng lahat. Na kung minsan nag-iisa siyang tinataguyod ang mga anak niya. Happy birthday, Ethel.
Ente, happy birthday po. Siyempre, Ethel is one of the closest tita in my heart. Hindi niya ako tinuring na iba. Saka, she's beautiful inside and out. She's a woman of substance.
Hi, Ethel. Para akong nandito para ako si Maria Magdalene. Kasi, pasensya ka na, hindi ako naka-make up. Kasi, palisa dito si Jen, nakalimutan kagabi. Anyway, I don't know pang ilang taon mo na ako ngayon, but I'm sure that the Lord is blessing you. The Lord has been good to you. And Psalm 37:4 na lang ang i-dedicate ko sa'yo sa birthday mo. Ano yun? Delight thyself in the law of the Lord, and He shall give thee the desires of thine heart. And I continue to pray and hope that that the Lord will continue to bless you and your family. And smile lagi. Yan ang lalo nakakaganda sa'yo. Happy birthday again.
Konnichiwa, Tita Ate Ethel. I'm just dropping by quickly to greet you happy birthday. Praise God for another year na binigay niya sa'yo. You have an opportunity again to know God in this life and to serve Him and to be amazed at His power. Well, you are about to begin the real life. Sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Nang booking pa, no? Thank you for being such a great blessing to me personally. Though it was only a very short time na nagkakilala po tayo at nakilala ko rin po ang iyong family. You are a testimony of God's goodness and grace, that God is always sufficient in all kinds of situation. Thank you for allowing God's purpose and power to be manifested in your life. My prayer is that God will continue to use you as a channel of blessing, and that God's purpose will be fully be manifested in your life and in the life of your family. And thank you for taking good care of Mariel. God bless you for your goodness. And yeah, God willing, hope to see you again soon when I be back to the Philippines. God bless po, Tita Ate Ethel. Happy birthday po ulit. Sayonara.
Hello, Tita. Happy 40th birthday. Wow, 40 ka na pala. Kasi halata. I praise and thank the Lord for you. You've been a blessing to me personally, and I know you're a blessing to many people. And I've seen how our loving Lord work in your life and in your family. Continue to trust in the Lord. Thank you, Tita, for welcoming me to be a part of your family. Thank you for being a young, beautiful mother to me. I learned a lot from you. You are really a total woman of God, inside and out. I pray that God will bless you more and your family. Happy birthday, Lisita.
Hi, Tita Tel. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ethel. Happy birthday. Pressure. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ethel. Ang nagpapasalamat niya na ako nga tanan niya ang gimbulig ha ako hindi supamanahan pagpapaskil. Dako nga salamat and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, te. 40 ka na ngayon. Lagas na. Kaputuban. Balit, happy birthday nga. Damo nga salamat. I'm proud of you. Charing. Kay kaya mo nabuhay mo hera ba nga upa tapos napaeskwela mo hera asya ito go nga I pray nga makakuwang ka Anton matalwas ka ting mga problema charing over sugod na ito.
Hey mom, surprise lover ako. First of all, happy birthday. Thank you mom for welcoming me into your home and treating me as your adopted daughter. Joe, I'm really thankful that I'm a partaker of your kindness. God bless you more, Mom, and more birthdays to come.